Hello, I'm Connor with Amelia Island Microgreens, and today I'm here at Natural Primary Care with Dr. Rebecca Acosta.
Thanks, Connor. We had a great open house for our new location in Sarasota last night, and thank you so much for driving all the way from the other coast.
I'm glad we could be here.
Oh, thanks. And your display was a hit.
It really was, yeah.
Your kits were just flying out the door. You were the biggest hit here. And here at my practice, we love to serve our community and offer the highest top shelf holistic medicine in the community. So thank you for being part of that. You and I go way back, and grateful for where we've landed. Anyway, it's time for you to pick your drawing for your raffle.
Let's
do it.
Okay.
Where are you here?
I'm right here.
Oh, great.
Microgreens. Drum roll.
I'll hold it.
Okay.
Great.
We have Monica Grosevern. I apologize if I butchered that name, but that's who we have.
Yay, Monica.
Yeah, congratulations, Monica.
And thanks again for being here.
We
had a great event.
Yeah,
we
really did.
Our paths will cross soon again.
Yes.